model, 2014 Peugeot Expert Tepee Comfort L2 2.0 HDI 62k low miles none runner engine needs repair spares OR repairs no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 62,843. MOT, the 15th of July 2025. Engine, 1997 CCDW10 CEA. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start and won't turn over, bottom end bearings are knocking whilst cranking grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest disability van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, air-con, parking sensors, wheelchair ramp, wheelchair lift. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 6,175.